guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I'm so happy to have you joining me today for part 2 of my getting my household back in order. So if you did miss part 1, I'll go ahead and link it down below, but I talked in part 1 about how I've been struggling a lot with anxiety and stress, and I don't handle that stuff very well sometimes, and I just kind of go into a mental block where if I just don't see it, and so I don't take care of it. So I am officially done with it. I am trying to get my household back in order. This is probably the worst my house has ever been. So I wanted to make sure that I took everything apart, cleaned everything, and got my house back to the shape that I like it in. Now today I wanted to start in this corner. You can see how messy it was. It was driving me crazy. So I went ahead and took the kennels outside into our backyard so I can give them a good hose off and let them sit in the sun and air dry and just kind of air out. Our dogs are in them whenever they eat and if we are all gone from the house. So we definitely wanted to make sure they're cleaned. Even though they're not used like a ton of the time, they do get used enough where they were needing a little bit of a cleaning. And I did take out my trash as well so that I can hose that off and give that a nice good airing out as well.
Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that? What am I hearing? It feels like a heart attack. Someone help me catch my breath again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? How could we let love go? How could we move on? Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. Why are you playing? We ain't got the time. Tell me now if you want out.
Now I did still need to go ahead and do a good wipe down of this area, but as you can tell, it looks 1,000 times better. And this was actually recorded on Friday, and I had to stay at home from work this day because my son had kind of a little bit of emergency. He had a really big bump on his head that kind of spread. We weren't sure what was going on with it, so we had a few doctor's appointments. And once we got the all clear, then I did go ahead and start cleaning that area. And then I did end up changing into just comfy clothes, throwing my hair up while he was napping. That way I could get the rest of the mess taken care of that I wanted to get done this day.
Me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. Oh, for love or pity, let me know. Cause your love made me go blind.
Now I did have this load of towels sitting in the laundry room, so I wanted to go ahead and get all of that folded as well. And while doing this, I definitely sat on the couch and caught up on some of my favorite YouTubers. So let me know in the comments below, who are some of your favorite YouTubers that you guys love watching in order to get the best cleaning motivation. So some of my favorites, not all of them, but definitely a top 3 would have to be Kristen Casper, Joanna Thornton, and Denise Bangiev. I love all 3 of them. I feel like they're all super relatable, and I love that they just kind of go with the flow and do everything that they want to do. So if you are into cleaning videos or mom videos, lifestyle, go ahead, check their channels out. You will not be disappointed, I promise.
Stepping out It's Friday night, how I'm longing for this day. Yes, I'm single, oh, we won't do mingle, and my friends are on the way. You got that good, good vibe. I want to spend some time back here with you. Oh, whoa. I got that good old times. You want to spend some time back here with me. Oh, whoa. And time after time, I am wondering who is she to me. I'm gonna tell you right now, 'cause she's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming of. Hey, the one that I can live without. Oh, that smile makes me tripping out. I wanna dance with you tonight. Yeah, you close to me, feeling good. I believe I gotta have you in my life. You got that good, good vibe. I want to spend some time back here with you. Oh, I got this good old times. You want to spend some time back here with me. Oh, oh. And time after time, I am wondering who is she to me. I'm gonna tell you right now, 'cause she's the one I'm thinking of. Hey.
Now, I did do a online order for grocery delivery from Walmart, and they dropped it at my doorstep. So I figured I would include a quick grocery haul. You guys seemed to like it when I did the grocery haul where I just showed the objects without talking about it. So I am going to go ahead and just show you everything that we got. Now, we do try and eat mostly keto. Our kids do not eat keto, but my husband and I, especially our meals and stuff, we've been doing keto with just like meats and vegetables and trying to keep our food really simple. So let's go ahead and get on to the haul, and I'll just play the music in the background and you can see everything that we got.
Time after time after time, I'm wondering who is she to me. I'm gonna tell you right now, 'cause she's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming of. Hey, the one that I can live without. The one that I can live without. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. I've been all around the world. Every city, every place. Always been a restless girl. But now there's a wind of change. I've never ever felt this way. Longing for you, pick up the phone. Catching a flight, I'm coming home. Back to the place I've always known. Home, home. Seeing you soon, I gotta run. We're gonna have a lot of fun. Ain't spending this summer alone. I'm coming home. I'm coming home. You were only like a friend till we met the other day. Didn't want the night to end, and now there's a wind of change. I've never ever felt this way. You're stuck inside my mind, deep inside my mind. I think that now's the time. Longing for you, pick up the phone. Catching a flight, I'm coming home. Back to the place I've always known. Home. chillin', I just, you and I. Every crazy summer night, baby, I am coming home. I'm coming home. Longing for you, pick up the phone. Catching a flight, I'm coming.
Now that I did get all my groceries put away, I wanted to come back over to this area. My husband had moved my fiddle leaf fig plant over here, and I wanted to clean the area and throw down a rug that I had for this area. Now, I am absolutely obsessed with my fiddle leaf fig tree. It's totally a mouthful, so I challenge you to try saying it like 3 times fast. It's very hard. But I am obsessed with my fiddle leaf fig tree. We saved it from Costco. The bottom leaves have been drooping since we purchased it, and we wanted to try and save it and make sure it didn't die because I have wanted a fiddle leaf fig tree for forever, and it was a really good price at Costco. So we did go ahead and pick it up, and I am proud to say we have named him Figgy Smalls, and Figgy Smalls has sprouted like 3 or 4 new leaves since we purchased him, which I am so stoked about. So we went ahead and moved him into this corner. It still gets lots of light, and it's kind of out of the way where nobody can really damage him that much. He doesn't like moving a lot. And every few weeks, I do like going through with a water mister, and I like spraying his leaves. Not only does it clean off the dust, but it also keeps the humidity, which I know that fiddle leaf figs love the humidity. So we're definitely trying to keep him alive and fix all of the rips that he has, but only time will tell if he'll live through it. But for now, he is thriving at the top, and hopefully that continues.
I don't really need a new friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden, are gold, you see. We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, cause I am golden, I'm golden. You're not really looking for a friend, so at the top for me. Never thought that loving would be easy, but it's all for free. Won't cost a thing, so it's yours, worth a try. Oh, this is the real thing, I'm down if you're down, boy. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden, are gold, you see. We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, cause I am golden, I'm golden. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to you, get next to you. Get next to me, get next to me. Feels like the two of us are golden, are gold, you see. We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, cause I am golden, I'm golden. Feels like the two of us are golden, are gold, you see. We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, cause I am gold, I'm golden.
Every time I'm going out, the same things keep happening. New boy, same tricks. Coming close to me now, trying to be smooth, so here we go again, here we go again. You're trying to buy me drinks, and I don't like your cheap tricks. Take it somewhere else, would ya? I don't know what you think, but I'm not
Guys, this cabinet was so bad. Look at all that dust just from like a few wipes on this one shelf. I honestly am just so grossed out that I let that much dust just accumulate. But I will say that this shelf is right next to the door where the dogs are in and out. The dog kennel is over on that side of the room. So it's definitely the dirtier area of my house, but still, it was so bad. I'm so like satisfied that I did this. I will be going back in the next video and giving everything a good wipe with like actual spray and cleaner, but I definitely wanted to dust first. That way I wasn't just spreading the dust around when I put cleaner on it. Now, I almost didn't include this part, but I know you guys saw how bad the floor was before, so I definitely wanted to include it, that I did go ahead and sweep up this area, and I did clean the other stuff on the floor, but for some reason, I think I honestly actually forgot to hit record, so it didn't record for whatever reason. But that is it for today's video. Next time, we'll get a little bit deeper and do some actual spraying and wiping down and continue getting control of my out-of-control, messy house. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. And if you are new, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Follow me over on Instagram. You can find me at shell.peterson, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.